Welcome everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to install the clear cam covers on the Honda Grom, made by Revolution. These come in 5 colours, black, blue, gold, silver and the red ones that I got. They've got a window in them so you can see the action that's going on in your Grom. They do come with new bolts, however they don't include any O-rings, so you need to reuse the originals or get replacements. It's really easy to fit them, you just need to remove the old covers, clean down any oil that's leaked out, take the O-ring off if you're reusing it, fit it to the new covers, then just bolt them in. It really is that easy and they look much better than the factory ones. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and we'll be seeing you next time.